So in this video, I'll show you how to create like 30 high quality Instagram Reels in less than a couple of minutes. So let's say you want to create 20 Reels on how to make money online. So we'll head to ChatGPT and tell it to give us 20 tips on how to make money online. So I'll write, give me 20 tips on how to make money online. ChatGPT will give us 20 tips. It's generating now. Okay. And now it's finished. The next thing to do is to copy these tips. Okay, through from 1 to 20, copy, and you want to open Google Sheets. That's sheets.google.com or Microsoft Excel if you have it on your computer. And let's create a new blank sheet. And then we'll come to the very first cell here, that's A1. We will right click and paste the values we copied from GPT. So we'll go to paste special and we'll paste values only to paste the sentences only. Okay, there are some blank rows here. We will simply delete these empty rows. So delete row. Okay, now I've gone through and deleted all empty rows so that we have our 20 quotes without any empty spaces. Now, it's very important that we save this file as CSV. So we'll click on File, Download, and we want to download it or export it as a comma separated values or .csv, and that's a very important step. Click on it and it'll be downloaded here, as you can see. So now we want to go to Canva in order to design our reel. So we'll go to canva.com and we want to search for an Instagram reel template. So if you don't find it here in the recommendations, just type in the search, as I did here, Instagram reel, and then click enter. Now we just want to find a template that we like or that matches the style of your videos. You can hover your mouse over them and they'll play automatically to see what they look like. I'll just scroll till I see one that I like, and let's go with this one. Like the sea in the background and the window with the quote in the foreground. I like this style, so we'll click on it and we'll click on customize this template. Now it's loaded in the editing page. We can change everything starting from the background. Let's say if you want to change the background, click on it and then go to the elements on the left side of the screen. Click on elements and we will write video background. Click enter. And you can choose from a variety of video backgrounds. We can further filter the search. You can go for a color that matches your brand or the style of your videos. We want to choose vertical to give us all vertical 9:16 videos. And we have other options. I'll stick for that now. And now it gave us lots of vertical, only vertical videos. If we go ahead and click on videos, here we can see lots of videos that we can use. Okay, let's say we want a background on a specific subject, such as money or finance. So let's clear all filters here, and we will write money video background. Okay, let's see if we can find vertical videos on money, like money background videos. There does seems to be some of them. Okay, let's say we do want this $sign to be our video background. We'll drag it here on our design, but it's in the foreground. We want to send it to the background. We'll click on these three dots, and in the layer we'll send it to back. Okay, now we just need to align it with our design. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Now we want to edit this text box. Here you can write the name of your page. Okay, sorry, I moved it. Control Z, double click. Let's say we'll write test for now, and your social media handle right below it. You write the name of your page. Let's say I'll write test. And as for the photo, you can click on it to change it or even delete it. Now, once you're happy with the design, go ahead to apps, and in the search bar type bulk, hit enter. We'll choose this result, bulk creation, and here we can upload the CSV file we downloaded from Google Sheets that contains our quotes. So let's upload it. Here it is, we chose it. Now open, and now it's uploaded. Now this is where all the magic happens. We want each quote to appear in this text box, and then automatically create 20 videos, each separate one with a different quote in this text box. So we'll choose this text box, we'll right click, and we go to connect data, and we will choose this title which is a CSV that has all the quotes. Click on it, and now as you can see, it changed the text to the first quote. Of course, we can select it, we can move it a bit, then we'll click continue, and then you can see that all the quotes are generated. You can go ahead and just go through them. If you see some empty ones, just uncheck them. Okay, looking good here. That's good. Now click on generate 19 pages or 19 different videos. Okay, it'll go ahead and generate them. Okay, now you'll see there are 20 different videos here. You can go through each and every one. Some of them you'll see that the text is a bit longer, and it will spill out of the white box, the white tweet box, like this one here. You can click on the box, the white box, and make it a bit larger to have all the text inside. And also in any one of them, to personalize them a bit more, to make each one a little bit different, you can add many elements such as arrows, lines, circles, icons, photos. Let's say we want to add this hand that clicks, like right here. make it a bit smaller, bring it to the foreground, or bring it to the front so that it overlays the text. So as you can see, we can add text, headlines, or text styles, and anything. Okay, now when you're happy with all your edits, we can go ahead and export them as videos. So click on share, click on download. Here you have the option to download each page as a separate file. If you don't see that option, then unfortunately you cannot do this directly. You can, if you are a free user, you can save only one file that has all the videos attached together, or you can do it manually, like unchoose all of them. For some reason it only generated 19 quotes, not 20, but you get the idea. So to save them manually, we'll just check one by one, click done, and then download it. Here it will like process, then download. Or you can bulk download them all, like if you are a premium user at Canva, like click on download and download pages as separate files. Click download, and as you can see, it will download each file separately.